Good morning. As of today, I'm up $39,500. Welcome back. It's Monday morning, and we're going to go look at the stock market and see if there's anything available to trade. So here we go. All right, we'll get going here just a little bit. Okay, so welcome to the world of day trading, and lately that world has been a little slow. Because the market moves in cycles, and that's typical. And we're just in a slow cycle right now. So right now I'm watching PRZO on this high of day scanner here. As I get everything settled. And I've been watching it moving up here, so I'm going to put that as my number one pick on the watch list. Yeah, nice 1 minute setup there. It's a 5 minute uptrend. INDO is our leading gapper, up 12% this morning, and it's really not something I'm interested in. HUSA, HUSA, I'm not interested in that. It's light on volume. APLD, light on volume, trying to make a move towards $6. Float's okay, price is okay. It does have some news, but I would need to see the volume come into it when the bell rings if I was going to trade that. With 10 minutes to go till the opens, there really isn't a whole lot to look at here. I was trying to switch to the other screen and pushed the wrong hotkey. So this is the main screen. And I think I will watch APLD as a second pick, but like I said, the volume needs to come into it. Shrink that back down. Okay. So the larger time frame. This is the hourly time frame. Nice move here, higher low. So we have, after the breakout over this level and this level, $1.75. It's been a really nice move. I was just wondering why my lines aren't updating. It's a little odd. All right, well. Anyway, so we know we have a nice looking hourly move up here, 15-minute uptrend. So this stock is very bullish right now. It could be due for consolidation when the market opens. So I'll be looking for a place to be a buyer when the market does open. Keeping in mind things have been a little slow, so I don't want to get into a trade and hold it for too long to start. So $1.95 is a pivot level. We have a trough and a support. This one here, inside bar on the hourly, resistance, support. Looking for an equilibrium on that one. 5-minute time frames. So we do have that uptrend on the 5-minute as well. And we are breaking back out now over this resistance, 230. Support is, let me see. Support is down at 211 and 203. So I said we were breaking out, but we aren't breaking out yet. 7 minutes to go. So we'll have another 5-minute candle after this one before the bell rings. So we'll keep an eye on that developing pattern. We'll see if we fail off of this double top and roll over. And that would give us consolidation on that 15-minute time frame. A lot of levels here on this one to play off of. We have the volume weighted average price right around $2. That's a possible entry if we pull back that far. So we'll revisit that in a second. APLD, like I said, we're watching that 15-minute time frame as an equilibrium possibility. We've made the move up. We've pulled back, looking for a lower high, higher low breakout. Watch for that. Maybe a pullback first thing when the market opens, but I'll need to see the volume come into it. And a look at the broader market. SPY on the hourly time frame. Nice move on Friday. We want to see an hourly higher low. And I do believe that right now we're trading off of that support. That is the support on this hourly of that double top. And we said on Friday the bears or the bulls really want to break that double top to prove something. And we did it on Friday. And so now looking for an actual 4-hour higher low and higher high. So it's a nice daily breakout, keeping in mind it's still a daily downtrend. On this, we have to get over 431.85 to break that last lower high. Bulls, or the price could pull back from here and form a higher low and then make a higher high over that level, and that would give us that daily trend change, because we're looking for a bounce on the weekly and a lower high somewhere above 453.67. I'll be keeping an eye on the hourly time frame to see where we trade. Will we hold 425.43? If we open and pull back to that level straight away, do the bulls buy the bounce? We're pretty close to that level. About mid-range of yesterday. So another look at the scan. Nothing new. just the three stocks here on the gap scanner and PRZO on the high of day scanner. And PRZO is pulling back now, so we do have the possibility of an equilibrium on that one as well. We made our high, pulled back, we have a double top, looking for a higher low, so we're in this range. This will be the last 5-minute candle before the bell rings, and we have about 3 minutes, 2.5 minutes to go. So if we pull back to this support at the open, I would be a buyer, most likely, keeping in mind that we could drop significantly lower because the hourly time frame may be due for consolidation. I might be expecting a pullback on that 15-minute time frame because we had our move up and we may be looking for a higher low on that one. We do have psychological $2 below it. So I'm going to set up my stop loss parameters and look for maybe a pullback here first thing. If I were to buy it at around 211, I'd put my stop maybe down below 2. Volume weighted average price down there. I'll go with like 20 cents. I'll really just widen it out good. I can always jump in it twice. And then on this one, looking for that equilibrium. So we're starting to see that 15-minute. Got that lower high. Bulls want to hold 545. If we lose that, there is a level down here. But like I said, on this one, I won't trade it until I see the volume, possibly. I've traded before on light volume, but it just depends on what it looks like. So nice pullback into this area. That's that trough on the 5-minute. With 40 seconds to go now till the market is open. Okay, I've got my max loss alert system running and I'm ready to trade. Oh, I think my microphone was off the whole time I was talking. Isn't that nice? Well, I guess I'll turn my hotkeys. Oh, maybe it was on. And we're open. See if we pull down here a little bit. I do see the volume coming in on APLD. I'll buy it for the break through the high. I'm in PRZO here. Nice move on APLD. I'm holding it for a little bit. I'm just going to go ahead and flatten it. I'm going to sell half of my position on PRZO. I'll hold the rest. Look for the break. Go ahead and sell it there. I heard a weird noise and I don't know what it was. So the volume is coming on in on APLD. We have that level there at 573 as a potential entry. Breaking through 6. Nice. So that was unexpected on APLD. PRZO, the low of day, is at 207. Let's see this 590 level. So that was a really nice equilibrium bull break on on this stock. Broke through both of these levels convincingly. And looking for that 15-minute higher low on PRZO. We got that little pullback. So we have that double top up here at 230. We want to break through. I'm buying PRZO off of the volume weighted average price there. $2. I'm just going to go ahead and sell it because I got in a little too high. So I sold it break even. So that's a little disappointing that I got in too high, because I think that's got nice bounce potential. That's the first retest of the volume weighted average price since way back here. I'm in APLD there. Looking for the breakthrough 620 up to 625. That 1 minute candle is about to close. There's the break, and I'll sell it right there. PLTR and SOXS is hitting the scanner now. Yeah, I'll watch PLTR. I'm a little late getting into PRZO. Well, I changed my mind on it again. That's 2 flat trades on it. The place to get in that one was down at the volume weighted average price. We have our high of day up here of 227. PLTR is already extended. I don't really want to jump into it now. APLD, I'm buying that off the volume weighted average price. Sell for the move back up towards 6. Booking the small profit on that. SOXS is hitting the scan. Yeah, I really, really wish I would have gotten in PRZO right down here at $2, but it's too late at the moment. So I'll look for my next entry. PLTR is moving really nice there. Anytime I've jumped into it when it was moving up like this, I've always taken a loss. So I'm not in a hurry to jump in it right there. I bought APLD off of the volume weighted average price. I'm going to get back out. I look for it to move quicker than that. So if PRZO fails this volume weighted average price and we move down below $2, watching APLD here. There's my entry. We'll see if we can hold that support. Oops. Well, I wanted to take the profit quick on it. Made a little bit. Nice bounce off the volume weighted average price there on APLD or PRZO. It's an equilibrium setup. So PRZO, let's see, we have a level here at $1.95, down here at 183. But I'm watching this level here. I'm not letting the FOMO get to me on PLTR. Broke above 17. We're going to have a new 5-minute candle coming up in a little bit, so I think I will wait on that. So what's that 5-minute going to look like here? That's going to be an inside bar. On PRZO. Inside bar opening lower. I'll take a shot at it there at the low. I'm going to get out real quick though if it starts to drop. I'll go ahead and take the profit on that little jump up. What I'm looking for on this one is that equilibrium bull break. PLTR, we haven't formed a higher low on the way up. We do have a little bit of resistance here at support there at 1681. So buy the pullback there on PRZO. Look for the break through the high. I'll go ahead and sell it there. And so that puts me at my daily goal, and that's where I'm going to stop for the day. But I am going to watch PRZO. I'm going to close my trading windows. I'm happy with that. And I'll watch PRZO here for a breakthrough 211. I'm curious to see if we break out and make a move back towards the high. Looking for a 15-minute higher low. So we had our move down, lower high, higher low, looking for that equilibrium to play out and see a nice little move all the way up through the highs. Noting that we have some high red volume on the 1-minute time frame, so that can be red flags. And this equilibrium is now taking a little bit longer to work, and now it's a triple pattern. Doesn't mean it won't work. It's a little less likely from what I've seen anyways. And we have the possibility of a 3 bars up here on PLTR. And I would be careful on PRZO for false breakouts. We had one here where we broke over the high. That's why I've been taking profit on it quickly. We had this false breakout. We had a little false breakout here. Okay, so here we go breaking out. And let's see if the bulls get follow through or if we get rejected. Nice little pullback. Move higher. 5-minute breakout there. We broke the high of that last candle. So is this our 15-minute higher low? EMA is coming up on that 15, so we're bouncing right off of that. It could be our 15-minute higher low. It is an hourly uptrend, and it's also a 15-minute uptrend, so it is bullish long term. Bulls seeing some follow through. There's that rejection and a break through the low. So that's why I was saying this one, be careful, take that profit quick. What we had was a bunch of bears up here getting into this, shorting the stock, putting their stop losses up above the highs here. And we had way more selling pressure than buying pressure. So the hourly time frame now, we had that hourly breakout first thing right here, but we failed, and so that's with 15 minutes to go, we might be looking at hourly consolidation. Broke right through 195. Came down to that support on APLD. And I kind of wonder what we're getting on the broader markets today. SPY, 15-minute time frame. Let's go up to the hourly time frame. Okay, so we have our hourly attempt at a higher low. Bulls want to see follow through and a move and a break back up through 431.13. And that would give us our hourly trend change. And on the daily, well, we want to see a daily trend change as well. But it's nice, first thing, we're taking off. Pre-market, we pulled back to that support area. That support is that double top on the hourly time frame here of 425.43, and a little bit lower here, but I still consider that a double top. We tried, we failed, we broke. So now the backtest area pre-market came right down to it and bounced off of it. And now bulls want to see that move up through 431.13 on the 4-hour time frame to get that weekly bounce underway. And on the weekly, we're just looking for a lower high somewhere below 453.67 on any kind of bounce. Need to change that weekly trend back to the bulls. But that's a long ways out. We're looking for a monthly higher low, perfectly healthy trend on the broader market. This is SPY. All right, so going back to the charts one more time before I get out of here. Yeah, PRZO, seeing that large drop, 15-minute consolidation, APLD failing, PLTR holding up. Definitely trade that one still, but I would be careful. It is definitely due for some consolidating eventually. And we have not had a higher low on the 1 minute yet. Well, a little tiny one here. Got a little pullback here. So very strong right now, but I'd be looking for consolidation soon. Well, that's my trading day. I'm up $210. Thanks for watching today. I'll see you back here tomorrow. My schedule is going to change on for the next week or two. I'll be live streaming 2 hours later in the day than normal. So I'll see you then. Thanks for watching. Hope you had a good day. Bye.